Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as the owner of a Google partner company. Now, let's move on to the question I have to. The question is: do you set ad scheduling so ads don't appear overnight while most people are asleep? As above, wondering if you are running ads only in one country like the US. Is it best practice to set ad schedules so the ads don't run, for example, 1 a.m. to 6 a.m. when the majority of people in the country are asleep? I don't hear this spoken, but about very often. So, okay. So let me first of all clear this confusion. Is that if the ads appear and the people are not sleeping, then who will be searching? So if no one is searching, then your ads will not be appeared. But if there is a traffic over the night where you do not want to show your ad, then you have to set ad scheduling. Now the reason I want to emphasize is because the intent of the user fluctuates all the day. Like we have a mood changes all the day. We have like hormonal changes or whatever you call it. The changes we have every day. So understand the best time when people buy. Even if I want to buy a product, I want to buy on a specific time, probably somewhere when I'm free in the office or in the evening. So this time may fluctuate from person to person, so we need to get that average and focus on it. I have seen some clients where the night ads works very well. Also in my country, the late night food apps works very well, but this doesn't happen in every country. For instance, not in Canada, you may not see food ads late at the night because no one wants to buy. There is no delivery system like the one right now where I'm living. So this may fluctuate from country to country, to understand. So now the idea is that should you run your ad when people are asleep or not? So that depends. You can get the data for 24 by running 24/7 for some time, and after this you can schedule or sort it out. But let's say, based on your question, that we are not going to run that. We are not running for majority of the brands for the night, but for minor products, minor brands, we are running it at the night. I don't know why, but some products like food converts at the night. So again, this may again change. So yes, we do, and yes, we don't. And for some time, we do not run on daytime. Sometimes, the some products as a Tuesday is a very good day. Sometimes some products as a Tuesday very worst. Some products works very well on the weekend. Like even the restaurant industry works very well on the weekend, but not very good in the weekdays. So this again fluctuates and vary from country to country. Now, how you can set the ad schedules so that your ads are not being shown when you do not want to. You simply have to move to your Google Ads account, and over here you simply search, like over here, simply search ad schedule. You can see over here this ad schedule over here. Simply select this one and you will be landed over here. You can also land it from going to campaigns, then going into the audience, keywords and content, and move on to ad schedule over here. So you have to pardon me for this slow internet, but let me refresh. So it was loaded and I just refreshed it. So it's going to be ad schedule is going to open over here. So you can see over here that this account has currently, the ad schedule being running from 8 a.m. till 11 p.m. on the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So you can see over here as well. So again, this may vary from client to client. So this is automatically turned on by selecting this one, and then you can set your ad schedule over here. You want for all days, you want for a specific day, or you want a Monday to Friday rule, and you can also add a Saturday to Sunday rule as well. And for instance, I want to add 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. I'm going to say for Monday to Friday, and I'm going to say for my Saturday to Sunday schedule over here, and then simply select the save over here. And that is how I can set my ad schedule. So yeah, I hope this answers the question. But in case if you need a detailed consultation, or in case if you want to hire me and my team for Google Ads audit setup or management services, we also provide landing page services, or even Google Ads digital approvals or Google Merchant Center suspension. You can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.